Hey everyone, welcome to the Coding Wallah. How's the fire to get the job? We have new hiring opportunities for freshers for the role of software engineer and junior engineer and more. So what are you waiting for? Let's go. First we have from Motorola Solution. The role is software engineer and here are the responsibilities of the candidate. First point, manual testing, execute comprehensive and manual testing for mobile applications, and the second is test case design and execution, and third one is automation testing, and fourth one is application delivery. And they require Java as a programming language and mobile development, Android Studio Xcode. In the network analysis, Wireshark, and in the CI/CD, it's required Jenkins, Git, GitLab, and remote access, API testing, communication and collaboration. And here are the requirements: bachelor degree in the computer science, engineering or related fields, proven experience in mobile app testing, manual and automation, strong and knowledge of software testing and principle and methodology, proficiency in Java programming, and hands-on experience with Android and iOS platform. You have to experience with network analysis tool like Wireshark, familiar with CI/CD tools, and excellent communication skills and strong analytical and problem solving skills. And in the additional information, job location is Bangalore and minimum experience is 1 year. So if this role is fruitful for you, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. And next we have from Ethnos, the role of SQL intern. This is the company description. You can read, and here are the responsibilities: write and optimize SQL queries, assist with database maintenance and data analyze, journal report, and ensure data accuracy. Here are the requirements for the role of SQL intern: basic knowledge of SQL and related databases, and you have to currently study or recently completing a degree in related fields, and you also have some DSA, and that's enough in the requirement. So if you are interested in that, just go and apply. And next we have from HumanMnt stack developer. Here are the eligibility criteria: degree in BTech and BE, branch is all, year of graduation 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and skills that require MongoDB, Node.js, React.js, and Express.js. And in the selection process, first you have to qualify offline assessment round at the Hyderabad Skill Center. And here is the note point: this round cannot be conducted online. Candidate has to come to location for the assessment. If you qualify the assessment round, technical interview round 1 and then second interview. After that, you got HR screening round. So are you interested in that? If yes, just go and apply. You got the link in the description box. And next we have from Cornerstone. The role is junior engineer. The location will be Pune, and this role is offline based Pune office. Here is the job description. You can read. Skills required: knowledge of web development technology such as JavaScript, HTML, CSS, and you have to working knowledge in object oriented programming language like Java, and you have to knowledge in front end automation work framework, and knowledge in web services, knowledge in at least one scripting language. Here are the qualifications: BE, BTech, MCA freshers, and desire to pursue a career in QE testing, programming knowledge, any language preferable Java, and any testing certificate is good to have. Here is the culture, who we are. You can read this. If you are interested in this role, just go and apply. You get the link in the description box. So that's it for today's video. Bye bye. Best of luck.